You've been told the same lie for decades. If you want to build a legendary physique, you need heavy iron. You need the gym membership, the supplements, and the joint-crushing weights. But look at the statues of ancient Greece. Look at the elite gymnasts or the special forces operators of today. They didn't build those granite-like muscles with a bicep curl machine. In fact, most people lifting weights are actually stunting their growth through limited range of motion and ego lifting. Today, we are breaking the chains. We're revealing the 6 God-tier bodyweight exercises that trigger more muscle fiber activation than any dumbbell ever could. If you want a body that isn't just for show, but possesses raw, functional power, you need to stop lifting weights and start mastering these. Before we dive into the list, we have to address the elephant in the room. Why are weights failing you? It comes down to 2 words: neuromuscular efficiency. When you sit on a machine, the machine stabilizes the weight for you. Your stabilizer muscles go to sleep. You're building isolated muscle, not integrated strength. Bodyweight training, specifically the 6 exercises we're discussing today, forces your body to operate as a single unit. This creates a higher hormonal response, specifically in growth hormone and testosterone production. Because your central nervous system perceives these movements as survival skills, climbing, pushing, and pulling your own mass is an evolutionary necessity. Bench pressing 225, not so much. Let's start with the king of back development, the archer pull-up. Most people do standard pull-ups and plateau within 6 months. The archer pull-up is the secret to breaking that ceiling. By keeping one arm straight and pulling primarily with the other, you are essentially performing a unilateral weighted pull. This puts nearly 80% of your body weight on a single lot muscle. It's like doing a heavy one-arm row, but with the added benefit of spinal decompression. Think of the ancient archers who had to pull back high-tension bows. Their backs were asymmetrical powerhouses. The archer pull-up mimics this tension, creating that deep V-taper that makes your waist look smaller and your shoulders look massive. Pro tip: if you can't do these yet, start with negative archers, lowering yourself slowly with one arm. This eccentric loading is where the real muscle tears and repairs happen. Shoulders are the hallmark of a powerful frame. Most people default to the overhead press, but the deficit pike push-up is actually superior for hypertrophy. By elevating your hands on blocks or parallettes, you allow your head to drop below your hands. This creates a range of motion that is impossible with a barbell. You are hitting the anterior and medial deltoids with surgical precision. Because your feet are elevated and your hips are high, your core is under constant isometric tension. You aren't just building shoulders, you're building an unbreakable foundation. But what about legs? Everyone thinks you need a squat rack for big legs. They're wrong. Enter the shrimp squat. Unlike the pistol squat, which requires a lot of hip flexibility, the shrimp squat focuses purely on raw quad power and balance. By holding one leg behind you and dropping your knee to the floor, you eliminate any momentum. This is time under tension at its finest. Because you have to stabilize your entire body on one leg, your gluteus medius, a muscle often ignored by weightlifters, is forced to grow. This leads to more explosive power and significantly better knee health. We're halfway through, and the top 3 exercises are about to change the way you look at your own body. If you're finding value in this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're on a mission to build 1 million functional physiques, and we want you in that number. Drop a comment below. I'm ready to master my body. Let's get back to it. If you want a chest that looks like it was carved out of marble, stop benching and start leaning. The Pseudo-Planche Push-up is the elite version of the standard push-up. By leaning your shoulders forward past your wrists, you shift the center of gravity. This puts an immense load on the upper pectorals and the serratus anterior, the boxer's muscle on the side of your ribs. Weightlifters often have flat chests because they don't engage the serratus. The planche lean forces that engagement. It's a secret used by Olympic gymnasts to develop that thick, dense chest wall without ever touching a plate. This is the most underrated exercise in the history of fitness. The Nordic curl. Research has shown that the Nordic curl is more effective at preventing injury and building hamstring density than the seated leg curl machine. Why? Because it focuses on the eccentric phase, the lengthening of the muscle. When you lower your body toward the floor using only your hamstrings, you are creating massive micro tears that lead to significant hypertrophy. This is how you build legs that aren't just big, but are functionally bulletproof. We have reached the summit. The muscle up. The muscle up is not just an exercise, it's a transition. It combines the most powerful pulling movement with the most powerful pushing movement. It requires explosive power, incredible grip strength, and a core made of steel. The science. When you perform a muscle up, you transition through the dead zone where most people are weak. By mastering this transition, you develop the type to fast-twitch muscle fibers that give you that hard, dense look. Weights can't replicate this because they don't require the same level of total body coordination and explosive momentum control. The choice is yours. You can keep following the crowd to the weight rack, dealing with the joint pain and the plateaus. Or you can start mastering these 6 movements and unlock a level of muscle growth and functional power you never thought possible. Action plan. Pick 2 of these exercises and incorporate them into your routine this week. Master the form first, then the repetitions. If you want a full 30-day program based on these movements, check the link in the description. Don't just build a body that looks strong, build a body that is strong. I'm Fit Beacon, and I'll see you in the next one.